I'm here with
Miguel.
Miguel. How old are you, Miguel?
I'm very good. And you?
I'm good too. How old are you?
I'm 18.
18 years
And
old.
you?
I'm 38. So, do you still have friends from your childhood?
Uh, one,
One friend?
one friend.
A man?
Just
Or a
one.
woman?
Amen. Amen.
What's his name?
Miguel também.
Oh,
Yeah,
really?
Miguel too.
Do you still talk to him regularly?
Very much.
So, what is your best memory with Miguel?
Ah, entire childhood. Falei certo?
Come again?
Toda a infância, eu quis dizer.
All my childhood.
All my childhood. Ah, puta, eu ia falar uma frase, mas eu não vou saber falar em inglês. Eu cresci com ele, então muitas memórias boas.
I grew up with him.
I grew up with him.
I have very good memories.
Very good
with
memories
him.
with him.
Very good.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.